Lovable.dev is an AI-powered no-code platform for building web apps via natural language prompts. Stripe integration enables one-time payments or subscriptions, leveraging Supabase for secure backend handling, authentication, database, webhooks. Prerequisites: create a Lovable project and connect it to Supabase. Top right, Supabase button. Follow prompts to link. Have a Stripe account. Use test mode initially. Steps: in Lovable chat say, help me integrate Stripe into my app, or add Stripe payments subscriptions. The AI guides you. Securely add your Stripe secret key via the in-app. Add API key feature. Never paste directly in chat. Describe your needs. For example, add a checkout button for $10 one-time payment, or set up monthly subscriptions with tiers. Review AI-generated code. It auto-creates UI components, edge functions for webhooks, and database tables, tied to Supabase user ID. Configure webhooks in Stripe dashboard. Add endpoint from Supabase. Store secret in Supabase secrets. Deploy the app. Preview mode doesn't support payments.